Hey guys, we're continuing our Blast from the Past series. In this video, we take you back to 2017 in Disney Springs. We'll get into it right after that intro. Roll that intro. Hey guys, before we get too deep into this video, why don't you go ahead and drop a like on it. If you're new here, definitely click that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And also ring that notification bell just so you don't miss any of these sweet uploads. Alright, so this is back in 2017. Probably my first or second vlog attempt, but definitely my first, out in major public attempt. So I'm shooting on probably like a Canon camcorder or something, so the quality is okay, but I definitely don't, address the camera as much as we do nowadays. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. See you in a bit. Here's the new entrance to the new section of Disney Springs. Hey Morgan, hug store. You want to go in and touch the expensive ones? Hey, we found the Coke store. It's back behind Planet Hollywood. And the orange parking garage. So they included slippers. Yeah. Hi. There's Coke stuff everywhere. It's actually kind of cool. The Winter Bears service. We're at the hangar bar.
Another cool side.
They got it was a cool-headed monkey. I'll have to try that out and see what it's like. Very fruity. Very rubbing too. Kind of came out, went around the corner. Now we're heading down by Blaze Pizza. Here's the backside of Planet Hollywood. I think this is Morimoto in front of us. Oh no, this is STK. Morimoto. Irish pub. The hangar bars in front of us. This is just so pretty back through here. I mean, they did a very good job making like a Springs look.
Number one, how did they get the water like this clear? How did they keep the water this clear?
Like pool water, probably.
Lots of chemicals. There's a nickel right there.
See, there's Fulton's over there where we're going to be eating over here-ish somewhere. Another neat fountain. Kind of like a Italian city feel or something, don't you think?
There's pennies. How are you?
Doing good, how are you?
Good, thank you. There's a Disney bus.
Yeah. Oh, yep. Oh, that is neat. I bet this looks awesome lit up at night. Those little buoys. This is so cool.
Wait, what? There's a lime garage?
Yep, this is the Lime Garage. Alrighty. Walking down Disney Springs, the new bridge. Over kind of to the newer section. Colton's is over there getting worked on. I think we're going over to get some pictures by the Lego thing now.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, look at that. It's Buzz and Woody on the rocket.
That's just crazy.
That's kind of cool. So you look at the 7 doors over here. The vault.
So you can see stuff inside of them.
Where?
You can see stuff inside the cave. What's the sleeping beauty thing? Is that Legos too?
Oh my. Here we got a little Lego family coming to Disney World to hang out.
100,000 bricks.
132,537 bricks. 760 hours to make this. Alright, now we're coming into the kind of the newer section.
Yeah, that looks pretty new here.
Have not been here yet, so this is kind of cool. There's the Poofy face. Alright guys, I hope you liked that video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new here, why don't you consider clicking the subscribe button? We do new videos every single week, or old new videos. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, we have a join button. If you click that down the link below, you can find out more about the perks of becoming a channel member. If you don't want to, be tied into a monthly commitment, we do have a coffee page. That's just a virtual tip jar to help support the channel and keep the train on the tracks here. We'd really appreciate it if you did. We also have merch. I'm not wearing the merch currently, but there should be a link down in the description as well as in the tray below this video. All right, guys. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Talk to you the next one. Peace and love.